5. Best wall clock. Here is the product number 5. 3D Big Acrylic Mirror Wall Clock. Material, acrylic. Applicable placement, living room. Form, single face. Combination, multi-piece set. Style, modern. Pattern, still life. Display type, needle. Shape, geometric. Body material, stainless steel. Here is the product number 4. Quartz Living Room Affordable Wall Clock. Type, wall clocks. Brand name, Joyd Art. Display type, needle. Shape, circular. Style, brief. Applicable placement, living room. Combination, multi-piece set. Form, single face. Body material, acrylic and EVA. Here is the product number 3. New Clock Watch Wall Clocks. Brand name, Musain. Style, modern. Shape, circular. Material, acrylic. Form, single face. Motivity type, quartz. Wall clock type, 9mm sheet. Pattern, abstract. Combination, multi-piece set. Here is the product number 2. Living Room DIY Wall Clock Sticker Watch. Type, wall clocks. Wall clock type, 9mm sheet. Combination, multi-piece set. Style, modern. Pattern, still life. Feature, antique style. Display type, needle. Motivity type, quartz. Shape, circular. Here is the product number 1. Large Wall Clock Quartz 3D. Features: acrylic surface, shiny and easy to wipe clean. Metal pointers, strong resistance of corrosion, accurate and durable. Silent mechanism, provide a quiet environment, good for sleep. High quality EVA, density sponge, not fade, environment friendly and non-toxic. Wall clock and sticker, free DIY the clock size.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.